The CONCAT function is used to combine or concatenate multiple text strings into one. It's useful for creating a single string from various cell values. Here, we have values in cells B5 and C5. Use CONCAT B5, C5 to concatenate these values and drag the formula to other cells using Ctrl+D or with mouse, like I did here. Use CONCAT B5, C5 to concatenate these values with hyphen in between, or if you want any special item in between, and drag the formula to other cells. This function is handy for creating full names or addresses from separate components. The formula equals to trim, C4 in Excel, removes any leading or trailing spaces from the content of cell, ensuring that the cell's text is clean and does not include unnecessary spaces. In Excel, the exact function compares two text strings and returns true if they are exactly the same, and false if they are not. It's case-sensitive, meaning uppercase and lowercase letters are considered different. You will see like if we simply use equals B5 equals C5. The results it gives is true, since both the cells have the same characters in the video. Use exact B5, C5 to compare the text in cells B5 and C5. The result will be true if they are exactly the same, false if not. This function is useful for precise text string comparisons. The lower function converts text to lowercase. In the video, apply equals to lower B6 to make the text in cell B6 lowercase. Similarly, the upper function converts text to uppercase. Here, apply equals to upper B6 to make the text in cell B6 uppercase. The proper function capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string. Apply equals to proper B6 to capitalize the first letter of each word in cell B6. Where proper function makes every first letter of each word into uppercase, text function ensures the first letter is uppercase and the rest of the text is in lowercase. Excel do not have this function. So here is the formula to make it possible. Proper B6 capitalizes the first letter of each word in B6. Lower mid B6 to 2, len B6 -1. Converts the rest of the text to lowercase, starting from the second character. The lower mid, part of the formula, ensures that the remaining characters are in lowercase, maintaining a consistent sentence, case forma T. The combination ensures the first letter is uppercase, and the rest of the text is in lowercase. Trim is used to remove any extra spaces that might arise. Here you can finally see the difference and the working of lower, upper, proper, and sentence case function. The formula equals to trim, C4 in Excel, removes any leading or trailing spaces from the content of cell, ensuring that the cell's text is clean and does not include unnecessary spaces. The REPT function in Excel repeats a text string a specified number of times. Its syntax is REPT text number of times. For example, is equal to repeat, raj 3 times. This would result in the repetition of the text, raj 3 times. Its best use case scenario. If you like to give ratings, then this formula will works as a magic. You might have frequently observed individuals utilizing the concatenate function to merge text. However, when dealing with non-uniform data, the risk of errors is significant. For instance, as illustrated here, Excel displays double spaces for blank cells. Also, this is not very efficient. So now, look at the working of text join function. Here you just have to define the delimiter, for example. Either it's hyphen, commas, or space. Like in our case, the delimiter is a space that we want between each of the name columns, and we do not have to individually select each cell here. This is the plus point which will make text join a more efficient function than concatenate.
If you've gained new knowledge, share your experience with us. Join us on Instagram for links to Excel exercises. Stay tuned for our upcoming free course that covers basics to advanced features, including VBA, Python, and artificial intelligence. See you in the next tutorial and keep excelling.